How to fix Xiaomi Redmi 15 Pro text reaction not working. Let's start the video. First of all, checking the internet. So open any browser app and from here you can see that network is properly worked. And now second method is open settings app and go down, select apps and open manage apps and from here search message app. Click on this and from here we have storage. Click on this and from here you can see clear data. So you can clear data in storage message here and after that go back. Again open settings app and select about phone and from here you can see option update. Click on this and from here checking your latest version will be updated or not. If he doesn't update, then updated it to latest version and after that your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video.